bersyukur nak keslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School ke lapli perda yang ke annual school sports ha ke arpu santrik unai leber arajar arpulai hamaran Savio Juniorate kebadan hamalai motsiar. Yang ini gelempung yelek kai ke arsngi lapli perda da ke kong L Litan Architect jong ke Public Works Department jong ke Sarkar Jela ha ke balai danlang ke principal jong ke school ke kong P Renja ke vice principal kong P Sutengah kinong hikai ki kena school bat kiwei. Ya kini ke lempung la pia ki south ki house kata ke yellow, green, blue bat ke red house. Ke jingya kai ke bakham Shongshit ha kini ke sngi ke de ke jingya ko Mareh Byrni ha ke baki kena ke ya shimbenta shirhem nalor kiwei bat ke jingya ko kum ke spoon race bat kiwei ke jingya ko Mareh bat ke march pass. Ya kini ke lempung on penkut ha ke arpu nyotrik unai leber arhajar arpulai.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want party.
No tips and back it up to me ragga. A chance for party ladies with a doggy. I'm drumming out.
Houses, the yellow, the green, the blue and the red houses. House, one chance Kem Jana, flag bearer, one duck me haki Karbuli, and placard bearer. Commander of the Green and placard bearer, Vanessa Nongklau.
Ben, yang pemilik merik balai.
Perang Banjam Sotun, Revenue.
The next batch of participants in lane 1, Melam Bok Yap.
First time for me that I've been called to such an occasion as the chief guest, and so that makes it memorable, and that also coming from the Phudmuri Presbyterian School. Secondly, I was unknowingly to you all, I was a past pupil of this school, of the same school. I think most of you didn't know about this, that I attended this school in 1977 before I start shifting to St. Joseph School when I was very small. and it was only for 1 year. I had a very vague, very blur memories regarding that part of my life and the importance of education. Education is not a privilege where everyone can avail. You have to make the most of it. In most cases, and in some places in this world, you will not, children, they don't get a chance to avail education. So amongst all of you standing here, all of you students, being able to wear your uniform today and availing education is the greatest privilege. It is the greatest and the most powerful tool that you have with you today. Based on this, because you have the privilege to avail education, you can change the world. The world is changing day by day. And it is you students, you children, who are the future generation of this world. By seeing you, all of you here march past, by saluting you, I feel the privilege, I really feel the importance and the honor that I am here. Sports build up your character. It helps you to form a social teamwork, a social interaction. You will have good social skills. You can assess things differently. It will help you to build discipline, and it will groom you to have a leadership skills. And plus, the benefits is it will help you to have an impact mentally and physically. Plus, it will help you with your academics. That is the first thing, an IAS officer. Again, we have the ex-hockey player, captain hockey player of the Indian hockey team, who is also a mechanical engineer. So those are the two examples that you should keep in mind that will help you to think positive, to balance sports and education.